Hello, so today we're going to do a makeup application, and we started by doing a consultation with our client to see their specific needs, and we also made sure that we washed our hands and we are draping our client. And the first thing we're going to do is cleanse our client. So we are going to apply some cleanser on their skin and begin cleansing the skin. And after we do that, we can go ahead and apply a freshener on the skin with a cotton pad to freshen the skin. And I'm gonna lower that down a little bit just to make sure we're freshening the client. And after that, we're gonna let that dry and we're gonna apply a moisturizer on the skin. So we'll begin applying the moisturizer on the skin. And then we're going to continue with a lip conditioner just to prepare the lips for the application. And afterwards, we are going to begin to conceal. I've already set up my products on the side. And we are going to begin with the concealing. And I am using a disposable today. It's easier with a disposable because you can easily dispose of it and you don't use it on anyone else. And I'm going to apply it on the other side. And just blend it accordingly. And it is going on nicely. And after that, you can dispose of the sponge you used. And afterwards, I am applying the foundation. The foundation is going all over the face. So you can spread it out and then start blending that in. And want to make sure you are blending it in evenly. I'm applying more on this side as well. And all over. Okay, and after we're done with that, we can go ahead and continue with the highlighter. So the highlighter can be put on with your fingers or with a spatula as well. And I'm going to apply it with a sponge in this case, and applying the highlighter, blending that in as well. And I'm applying it on the other side as well. I'm blending that evenly on the skin. And afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and contour. So I'm going to begin with applying it with a little stick, and then I'll blend that. All right, and after that, we can go ahead and blend that product in. And I'm gonna blend that evenly all over the skin. Okay, and after blending that in, we can go ahead and go in with our powder. And the powder is normally the same shade as the foundation. So we are going to go ahead and apply that on the skin. Okay, after that, we're going to continue with the eyebrow. This pen, you can actually sharpen it, so you can reuse it with your clients. So that's obviously pretty neat to have. So I am going to fill in their eyebrows so they can be full and beautiful. Right, and we're gonna go ahead and do the other one as well. Right. All right, so after we have both of the lashes filled, both of the eyebrows filled in, we are going to go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. So I'm starting with a shade that I can go ahead and set the base with. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Right, I'm gonna go a little lower. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the other shade, a little darker. And we're gonna blend that out. And we're gonna go on the other side as well. I'm gonna add a little more just to even it out. Okay, and afterwards we are going to go ahead and apply the eyeliner on the skin. So again, we're using a reusable top so we can easily sharpen it and use it on the eyes. Make sure your client is with their eyes closed. For this step, right. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and continue to the other step. And we're going to apply, this is when you can apply mascara on the eyelids, or you can also apply, lashes. So this would be a good time for that, to apply lashes or mascara on your client. And then we are going to continue with blush, which is the last thing we have on our plate. So let's go ahead and get that blush and blend it. I would do this on the high points of my client just so they can look slimmer and their eyes could lift up a whole lot better. All right, and then we did start with the lip conditioner at the beginning, so we don't have to do it right now. So we'll go ahead and apply the lip liner on the lips. And then we'll continue with the lipstick. And after that, you want your client to blot. And we're going to go ahead and do that. So we'll blot our client's lips, and afterwards we can show them the final result. kind of remove that a little bit and blend it in. And then we can show that to our client and show them how beautiful they look.